Hello, let's talk about inserting navigation into our interactive PDF. I'm going to share my screen now, and what you see here is right now is my master page, a master. And the reason you see it is because any navigation errors have to go on the master so that they can then appear on all the pages that we need them to be on. So I started already creating my arrow. I used glyph. So that's a glyph here. Also noticed I kind of measured off my vertical size. And I see that it's from 0 to 14, so somewhere in the middle will be 7. And then I drew my lines, my rules from the top to where you see them right now. So I have my arrow here, but it's pointing to the right. So I'm going to copy Command C and Command V and move this arrow here, making sure that it's positioned just like the other one. And I need to move it a little bit. Okay. And then this one is pointing the wrong way. So what I can do is flip horizontal and just, again, align it where I want it to be. And I want it to go a little bit down here. So that's as far as the arrows are concerned. I did one and then I copied and pasted, so I have them the same size. What I also did is I went to stroke and I just decided I'll limit it to 1, and here as well, 1. And then I went to color, and right now, I don't know what color it is, but I see that it's 50% black. So this will be the same. So that's it. And now we start working on the buttons. And before we can do that, we'll take our rectangle frame tool and draw a frame over the arrow. And should go to the buttons and frames pull down, and right down here you have a little symbol which means create a button. So I'll click on it, and here I have my type button. Now I have to name it, and I already know what I will want it to do that is going to the previous page. So I'll name it a previous page. And the action will be very easy. We'll go to previous page. And that should do it for this button. Although I don't like the fact that it shows the button. I don't like it, but let's see what it does. So I'm going to save this thing and go to my other and do this. And buttons and page, button, and this will be next page. And go to next page and we'll save it. Now let's see what happens here. Okay, I like this one much better. So what I'm going to do is, and I can do it even after I have already created a button. I'm going to take it, copy, and paste. Okay, copy and paste. And why is it not going anywhere? Okay, maybe we'll just undo this one. I'm going to redo it because I don't think it should be the way it was. So rectangular, frame, button, and it's my previous page, and action will be go to previous page. All right, let's save it. And let's see, is this one still working? Yeah. So I'm going to go back to the pages now and say apply master to pages 1 to 14, because we have 14 pages here. Okay, I'll go to the pages here, and I see my arrows. And the red thing here, I've been having a lot of trouble with this Titilium and railway fonts. I downloaded and deleted them from my font book and re-downloaded, and it's still kind of bugging me to death. So we have it here. This here, we have to move this back, but it is on this page as well. It's here, but we probably have to move the text, and it's here. So I wanted to show you something, but it doesn't seem to work on this template, probably because it's an older template, and this also means that the font, there is a problem with it. I just don't know what it is. So I'm going to hide my pages, just check that I have those arrows, and okay. So this kind of tells me that I will have to move them outside the text, especially on this side. So let's save, export interactive PDF. And then let's see, and I know I'm going to fix this, but not now. Okay, let's go. Now let's see whether it works. So it works going next. Okay, and oh, it's here. Oh, wow. Here, so I think the trick is to do it. Let's see whether it goes on previous. So it works. The only issue we have is that it's too close to text. And okay, so that's what I wanted to show you about interactive kind of arrows that can serve as navigation arrows. And you have two options, going to the previous page or to the next. And when you are working on those navigation arrows, there are two things to watch out for. And that's when you are creating it, you need a size. I think I had 55 points in railway thin. And the way I look at it now, we have to make sure that they are on a text layer, probably not here, something happened here. And the other thing is that before you start converting them into buttons, you need to draw the rectangle, the frame, rectangle frame box over them, because that's what the functionality, the button functionality recognizes. That's what it kind of works on. And then it's very simple. You click on you open the buttons and frame panel, open on the little symbol down at the bottom of the panel, which means create a new button. And then from there, it's very simple. You name it and you give it an action. So that's about navigation, and I will stop here now.